Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you 20 essential car tools, all for under $100, that will upgrade your DIY game. Number 1, Mechanics Tool Set. First up, the heart of any garage, a versatile mechanics tool set. It's your foundational investment. To use, simply select the correct size socket or wrench for your bolt. Always confirm the right size. A reliable 100+ piece mechanics tool set can typically be found on Amazon for around $40 to $70. Number 2, Floor Jack. Essential for safely lifting your vehicle off the ground, whether for tire changes, brake work, or accessing the undercarriage. Position the jack under a designated lift point, usually marked on your car's frame. Pump the handle slowly and steadily to raise the vehicle. A decent 2-ton or 3-ton hydraulic floor jack often ranges from $60 to $90 on Amazon. Number 3, Jack Stands. These are non-negotiable for anyone working under a raised vehicle, providing stable and secure support once the car is lifted. Place the jack stands under the vehicle's designated frame points, right next to the jack. Lower the vehicle slowly onto the stands until it rests securely. A pair of reliable 3-ton jack stands typically costs between $30 and $50 on Amazon. Number 4, Tire Pressure Gauge. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is vital, and that's where a tire pressure gauge comes in. This small tool ensures your tires are correctly inflated for safety. Remove the valve stem cap, press the gauge firmly onto the valve stem until the air stops hissing, and read the displayed pressure. Digital or dial tire pressure gauges are very affordable, often found on Amazon for just $10 to $25. Number 5, OBD2 Code Reader. When that dreaded check engine light illuminates, your first move should be to grab an OBD2 code reader. Locate your car's OBD2 port, typically under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug in the reader, turn the ignition on, don't start the engine, and follow the on-screen prompts to scan for codes. OBD2 code readers are available on Amazon from $25 to $75. Number 6, Oil Filter Wrench. For DIY oil changes, an oil filter wrench is indispensable. This specialized tool grips and turns the oil filter. Select the correct size and style for your oil filter. Attach the wrench, ensuring it grips securely around the filter. Oil filter wrenches are very inexpensive, typically costing $10 to $20 on Amazon. Number 7, Breaker Bar. Stuck with a super tight or rusted bolt? That's when you need a breaker bar. Attach the correct size socket to the breaker bar. Position it squarely on the stubborn bolt or nut. Apply steady, increasing pressure, using your body weight. A quality 1/2 inch drive breaker bar can be purchased on Amazon for $20 to $40. Number 8, Digital Multimeter. Diagnosing electrical issues in your car becomes much simpler with a digital multimeter. Touch the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative. The display shows your battery's current voltage. Digital multimeters with essential functions are available on Amazon for $15 to $35. Number 9, Screwdriver Set. Often overlooked but always needed, a good screwdriver set is fundamental. Always select the screwdriver that best fits the fastener head to prevent stripping. Apply steady pressure while turning. A comprehensive screwdriver set with durable tips can be found on Amazon for $20 to $45. Number 10, Combination Wrench Set. For fasteners in tight spots, a combination wrench set is your go-to. Use the open end for initial loosening or quick turns when space is limited. Always match the wrench size to the fastener. A good quality metric and SAE combination wrench set can range from $30 to $70 on Amazon. And there you have it, 10 incredible car tools, all for under $100. Building your DIY toolkit. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know your favorite budget tool in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.